It's another day. It is a Saturday. And we are here at Tajani because we're gonna go to Daiso. Again. Yeah, there's Anma is so ano. Oh wow, oh my god. Unsa? Yeah. It's so nice here. Yeah, we are going to Daiso now.
Before they go home to the Philippines, they need one more stop at Daiso.
Ini-exit ba? So it's here na ba?
No
Oh.
dogs.
No dogs allowed. Where's the dog? The dog is in the ano na. Baba is out from Daiso with a very big bag. How much did you spend ba?
10,000.
Uy, sa baan ni mo eh.
In peso, 3,000.
Yeah. Just alone Daiso.
Ay! Should we go on that?
Yeah. No. Let it be. Going home now. Finally out of Daiso. It is dark now. Yeah, Baba with her. Tawan ma, anong nabili mo sa Daiso?
Marami.
Ano, gaano karami?
Ay, okay lang.
Ay, okay lang mo. This is a video nga nung nagpagwapa ka, dira. So we're going to the outlet now. Exposed to you. What the?
Mga baby.
Yes, videoing ourselves.
Ooh, such a perfect timing to come here at the outlet store. The sun is down and there are very few people. Yes, Lego is our first stop.
What are you doing, ba?
Mawag kang na ko.
Concentrating. Okay ba yun? Move on to the body ba?
Ito may nangaplas diri.
Ati ba? It is now closing. We are going home. Some shops are open until 9 p.m. Sa bansad nga shop. Ba? Bukas ka na, di makita.
Na, nag-remote na.
Wala ay.